There's no escape. I tried.
I expected you sooner. Where is the energy of youth, huh? Fight to the death. Or die here together.
So how many people did you kill before I got here?
I didn't have a choice.
You always have a choice.
I am done wasting my time fighting weaklings. Prove you are worthy of my life.
I understand you want to kill me, but I can't let you do that.
What makes you think you deserve to live?
I won't die as the man that I was.
You don't get to walk away from what you did. The inner demons, devil's breath, the city hall bombing.
Don't recount my sins to me. I know what I did.
You have no idea! Fast! I need to find an opening. Come on! Just need an opening! Did Craven bring you here? Or was this voluntary?
Save your superiority complex. We're both in this arena.
Looks like serving time didn't change you at all!
You're wrong.
He awakens something in the spider, and you in him. Show me more! Well done!
Enough of this!
Move!
You'll never defeat me! Spider-Man doesn't kill.
You never fought this one. Please, power! It's blocking mine! Yes! Venom's back online.
There! Now, show us your full strength!
Do you feel any regret for what you've done?
Whatever I did to you in the past, it's never been perfect.
I'm sure to you it wasn't.
What do you want? An apology?
I want you to feel even half the pain you caused me.
Back up! No!
You stay down!
Enough of this!
Yes! There it is! Watch him carefully, Spider. He will take what he stole.
Welcome back, Venom Powers!
His power over you has faded. Take back control.
I don't want to have to kill you!
Wow! Maybe you have changed!
Back up!
You stay down!
Enough of this! Back up!
It was too slow.
No!
This is gonna be the last time you hurt anybody!
You're a cliche! At least the other spider has a man behind the mask!
You don't know anything about me! No more negative energy! My powers are back!
Let's do this my way.
Where are you?
No way.
This is you.
I need to keep my head in the game. I'm not really here right now. None of this is real.
What's more real than fear?
What are you doing to me?
Taking a look into your soul, I see a boy terrified of being alone, of failing his family.
Keep talking! You're not getting away from me! You can't hurt me!
Everyone has a breaking point. Even Spider-Man. It's just a matter of finding it. And I have all the time in the world to dig into you.
Get out of my head, man!
Out of your head. But there's so much to see in here. So much dread. So much pain. So much doubt.
I'm not listening!
You're strong. But no one is stronger than themselves.
Enough, Lee! Where is he?
Miles. Pete? You don't get it. I mean, I tried. I tried to teach you, to make you into a hero. I knew you'd always be second best, but... all you've ever done is let people down. Put people in danger. That's not Spider-Man. Spider-Man helps people. You just hurt them.
It's not true.
Hey, whoa, don't shoot the messenger here. It's not even me you're letting down. It's your dad.
Oh,
So, your name is Miles. Who are you really, Miles?
get down here, Lee.
Let's dig deeper.
Just fight me, man. You want to end this? Let's fight.
What the hell, Miles?
I know this is you, Lee.
Yeah, of course it is. I'm always here for you. I do everything for you.
I'm not listening.
Yeah, I'm not surprised you'd say that. Because all that matters is you, right? All you do is take. You put me in danger. You put Haley in danger. And for what? What do we get?
I know I'm...
Left behind. That's all we get. Or we end up like Finn.
Yankee!
I know I said it wasn't your fault, but I guess I just mostly felt bad for you. Didn't want you to feel responsible. Especially after
Don't!
your...
Shut up!
This ends when you wanted to, Miles. You're going to let me in eventually. And until then, struggle.
Mijo, where are you?
No! I'm here, Mom.
I can't do this anymore, Miles. You're always gone. Always in danger.
No!
You're going to get yourself killed.
Won't!
And then what? You can't win, Miles. I should never have let you try. All it's ever done is make me more alone. Put me in more danger.
No! I want to protect you! I will!
Heard that before.
Mean it!
Not from you. On the day he died,
Mom!
your father told me, just that morning, that everything he does...
No! No, no, no!
Miles, please! I love you.
That's enough, Lee!
Miles.
I said that's enough!
You're right. That's more than enough. I have everything I need.
Stop.
Hey there, big man. Man, it feels good to see you. Lots changed since I left. You became a whole hero.
But I couldn't save you. Or Finn. If Spider-Man can't protect everyone, who will?
Come on now. You're more than just Spider-Man. You can try and hide behind that mask, but I know who you are. What you stand for. I've been watching you.
You have?
And it hurts. What happened to the boy that I raised? You're a coward. Staying with my family.
You don't mean that!
I do. We all do. You're a failure, Miles. Always will be.
No! You never say that! None of you would! I'm not...
It's time to give up. Give up, Miles.
No.
Give up!
I won't.
Give up. Give up.
Give up.
You're done, Lee. I'm not doing this anymore. You wanna know who I am? I'm the kid whose dad you killed at City Hall!
What?
He died because you decided your problems were more important than all of those people's lives. Jefferson Davis was a hero who saved people from you.
Miles.
No. I'm done listening to you. Losing my dad? It's not what's holding me back. I was the one doing that. But not anymore.
Do it. Please.
When you're out, find Spider-Man.
Do not let them escape!